So I got the new X2 from Insta. Really cool stuff, man. I tell you, it's another world. It's another world with these cameras. It's a beautiful thing. And here we are. You know, we're just testing out a few things here. Make sure everything's good. Okay. All right, everybody. You get ready to roll. And I just want to make sure the equipment is running. And we got a brand new hookup here. And as like I say, we're always improving on every aspect here, from our model, from our V.B.HAWK merchandise to cameras and whatever have you. So we get ready to ride. Okay. All right, guys. Here we go. Everything's rolling. Everything's secured. I make sure everything is up to par here. And we're rolling. Safe ride. All right. It's a beautiful autumn day today. We're in November. And the weather's been really good. So, okay. All right, everybody. V.B.HAWK here. How's everybody doing? Hopefully all you guys are doing well. We're doing another little ride over here. We're doing some experiments. I'm always doing experiments, you know. Make sure everything looks cool and kosher, you know. Safety. Safety's our main concern here, you know. And that's what's important. You know what I mean? So, but let me tell you guys, I have so much to tell you. It's I gotta do it in 10 minutes. I don't want to make the videos too long, you know. But here we go. All right, guys, listen up. All right, we got the V.B.HAWK teen scooters. We got 5 new models in. Just for the teens out there, man. I tell you, you know, every time I go to the park, I get bombarded, and they're always asking me about do I have any teen, you know, scooters for young kids. So, luckily, you know, speaking to the manufacturer, we got together and we agreed to all the terms and specs and, you know, the whole bit. So everything can run kosher. So we managed to put it out there. We have 5 scooters, 18 scooters, and to offer you guys. I mean, they're just the same as the V.B.HAWK, you know, the regular V.B.HAWK. You know, they're made with the highest quality, respect and regulations and engineering. You know, because you know I'm the one that I want all these things done because I want to give you guys want to give you guys some good scooters. You know what I mean? So and that's the deal. You know what I mean? And I'm really proud to offer you guys these things. This is just an amazing thing that's happening, you know, within the last few months. And I tell you, I couldn't be happier. You know that let me tell you, if I show you my inbox, you would not believe all the messages I get. Oh my goodness, I can't keep up. I can't keep up with it. I mean, oh my goodness, you know, it's just hundreds. Literally not lying to you guys, hundreds of messages asking for information, asking for everything, from purchasing to information, pricing, buying in quantity, the whole bit. You believe me, it's a beautiful thing, you know. And I'm glad I can do this. You know, I love my work. I love what I do, and you know, I enjoy riding. You know, this is the e-world, you know. So, and I'd love to bring you all these things. You know, this is such a beautiful thing, man. You know, how can I say this? But we have it online. The website, plus it's got its own website, www.V.BHAWK.com. All right, that's www.VBHAWK.com. Okay, so there's great scooters out there for the young kids, for the young adults, and I hope you like them. You know, so far we get a couple of good reviews. I just launched it the other day, so and I put one ad out, and I'm already getting about a good 50 messages, you know, information, wanting to know more about the T line. And the other thing is another deal. Well, that's the one that has the hundreds of inquiries. But it's a great opportunity. I'm glad I can offer it to the kids. You know, the youth is our future, you know, so that way they can have some fun and ride, and hopefully they get to enjoy it. And that's basically it's what I want to share with you guys. Now, if you guys are going to order now, it's going to be too late for arriving for Christmas. So the cutoff date was like 3 weeks ago. So if you're going to order now, it's still fine. You're going to get it after Christmas. I mean, you still get it after. You're still going to get it, obviously, but you'll get it after Christmas. And hopefully you enjoy your rides. You know, orders are still coming in. I want to thank everybody for their orders, and the trust you've given me to serve you, you know, in this capacity. So I'm just happy that I can offer you these things. And also, one more thing I got to share with you guys. We're working on a project, working with law enforcement with electric scooters, with two of our brands, the Supra, and we're going to be working with the Storm. This way you guys have, you know, two models to choose from, and we're going to launch a project to service our law enforcement officers. So more details are coming out with that this week, this month, December, and that'll be a separate mode just for law enforcement. I've been in law enforcement for many years. I've worked with many great detectives and officers and sheriffs and undersheriffs, and I've worked. Believe me, I have a great length of record of working with law enforcement. You know, I support them 1,000%, and I'm hoping that I can supply them with this great technology. And then, so also, you're going to have the opportunity to have a drone attached to them. So it's the preference to the department if they want to have a drone attached to the scooter. So this gives them, more of a more technological thing to do, for safety, for locating people, things like that nature. You can go through crowds, you can ride through the downtown area easy. The scooters now, you go with one full charge, you're gonna get about what, 50, I say 50, from 50 to 60 miles just on one charge, one full charge. So that's phenomenal, you know what I mean? And you're gonna have, they have superchargers also. You can charge it up, fast also as well. So I'm glad that we decided to start working with law enforcement out there to see if we can bring a good cooperation together and work with everybody from safety all the way on down the line, because these things, you couldn't get hurt with them. So we want to make sure everybody rides safely, have their equipment on, and that kind of nature. So all you law enforcement guys, hey, I'm coming. I'm going to offer to your department, so there'll be ads going out to see if we can meet up with your administrative people, and so we can talk about this. So I have a banner up on my website on V.B.HAWK.com. So just click on his ad there, and some information, some bio that I written a little bit about the program. So hopefully you guys take advantage of it, take a look at it, inbox me if anything, if you have any questions, anything, if you want to meet, if you need a meeting, I'm here. I live in the state of New Jersey, so you have to let me know if you want to meet up. If you're from out of state, we could do the video interview chat lines. Okay, we could do that way, and that kind of thing. So we can do it that way. That way we can have our meetings there. So hopefully hear from you guys. All right. Thank you so much, everybody, for your orders. Keep at it. My salespeople, great job. Keep it doing. I know it's not easy, but you know what? In the long run, we're going to be ahead. So, and we are ahead already. We're next year. We got more surprises coming. So, stay tuned for that. You guys are gonna be amazed what we're going to be bringing in. And also, we want to hopefully, I don't know, have our first store opening. Okay, we're working on that also, our first store, and and give other people opportunity to own one as well, like a franchise kind of deal, So, all right, guys, I'm gonna get ready to take a quick break, and I'll see you guys soon. Listen, guys, anything, email me, inbox me, whatever the case may be. I'm here. If I don't answer to you, I will answer to you. I have so many, I know, but I'll get to you. Okay, so peace out and be safe. Ride safely. Wear your equipment. You need to wear your equipment, guys. Still see people out there with no gear on. Okay, so peace.
This is the future.
V.B.HAWK out.